Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Kerala-style yogurt curry, a truly comforting and flavorful dish. We'll go through each step, from gathering your ingredients to the final serving. This easy guide will help you create a creamy, tangy, and aromatic curry that's perfect for any meal. Get ready to explore the wonderful flavors of South Indian cuisine with this simple recipe. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of plain yogurt, ideally full-fat for that rich texture. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of grated coconut, 2 green chilies, and a few fresh curry leaves. For tempering, have 1 teaspoon each of mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and salt to taste. These simple items form the heart of our curry. Now, let's start cooking. First, gently whisk your yogurt until it's completely smooth, then set it aside. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil over medium heat. Once warm, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, allowing them to splutter. Next, toss in your 2 green chilies, a few curry leaves, and 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Sauté these aromatic ingredients for about 1 minute until fragrant. This step builds the foundational flavors. Finally, let's bring it all together. Reduce the heat to low and slowly pour in your whisked yogurt, stirring continuously to prevent curdling. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Gently simmer the curry for about 5 minutes, ensuring it never comes to a vigorous boil. Garnish with a few fresh curry leaves for an extra burst of aroma. Serve this delightful Kerala yogurt curry warm with steamed rice or your favorite flatbread. This recipe typically serves 2 to 3 people.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.